Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hayden, and today I have another episode for you of Tech News Monthly. That's right, it is that time of the month again, and I've got some good news for you, so let's get right into it. Alright, so first of all, AirTags. Apple has come out with a new product called AirTags. They use the Find My iPhone app to locate stolen items such as your keys, backpack, or even a pet. There is many other ways you can use these also. They're about the size of a quarter and have a small speaker on them. They use precise tracking on your phone to help locate your missing item by showing how far away it is in feet. Now, Apple was supposed to release these in 2019. I don't believe they were ready. They have been a huge rumor for a long time now. They are coming in at $29 for Apple's cheapest product, or you can get a 4-pack for about $99. Now, this is actually a really good deal. You can get these engraved. They also introduce some accessories where you can hang these off your backpack, hang them off your keys. You can also buy third-party ones for much cheaper. Apples are about $35 for one, but I'd rather get something cheaper from a third party. I will actually be doing a dedicated video coming soon on these. Now, during the pandemic, you may have noticed that Pokemon card sales have started to skyrocket. During the pandemic, people realized that you can pull Pokemon cards out of packs that are actually more rare than others, and they've actually been doing this for Fortnite cards too. And if you get a rare card, they've been selling them on eBay or Marketplace just to get a little more money. Now, Target actually has stopped selling Pokemon cards in their stores because they feel that, and I quote, "it is an abundance of caution for the safety of customers and employees. The company has been forced to push the cards out of production because of the greater demand." Now, you will no longer be seeing Pokemon card packs being sold in Target. I was not a fan of this. I really didn't want to put a ton of money into Pokemon cards. I'm actually not really feeling like getting back into it anyways. I was into it when I was younger, but not so much now. I'm not really feeling like getting back into it, especially just to sell the cards that I might not even get. Next up, Resident Evil 8 Village just came out about last Friday. I believe it was about a week ago. This game is a horror game. There's a little bit of puzzles, a little bit of an adventure, and there's a lot of jump scares. Now, I played the game before this. It was called Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. It was great. I loved it. I used a walkthrough video to get through it because I'm not very good at puzzles, and I'll probably use that for the same as Resident Evil Village. Now, it is a crazy game, about 9-hour campaign. I've been seeing people recently complete about 9 to 10 hours. Very quick game. I do plan on playing this game probably off stream. It comes in about $60 as your game. Most games cost nowadays, and about $80 for the deluxe version. I'm not sure what the deluxe version entails, but I will be playing this game, and I can't wait to see what it entails. In the past, I've been very scared. I'm not a fan of horror games, but recently I've been seeing some new ones, so I'd like to see them and try them out. Alright guys, that's been it for Tech News Monthly. It is now May 2021. I will see you again for next month news, and we'll see what that entails. I am very excited to see what news come up. We get more and more tech news every day about everything. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. Comment if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next video.